Good day mga katoyo, this is Mr. Kang and Boss Joe. We are here in
Good
Toyota
morning.
Fairview. Yes,
Yeah.
May 2024. Yes po, general price increase na po ang ating Toyota. Ano po yung mga yon? Meron kang Yaris Cross, price increase. Bang! Avanza, Rush, meron kang Hilux, ano pa? Fortuner, RAV4, Hi-Ace, GR86, you have your Alphard, Coaster po, lahat po yan may price increase. Pero una po, maraming po nag-post kasama ang Veloz. Guys, wala po. Nili ko ng TMP ang price increase ng Veloz, kaya maintain tayo presyo ng Veloz. Okay? Sa lahat po ng Hi-Ace unit po, sa lahat po ng Japan units, ako, haba-habaan niyo po ang PC ninyo at medyo mahirap pa po ang unit. Okay? So guys, if you need have increase po, price, promotions po for May 2024, please call Mr. Kang. Okay? We will be, and we will give you the best deal ever. Paalam mga katoyo. We'll see you here in Toyota Fairview.
See you again.
Okay?